Hello friends, in this video we are going to know the information about client server architecture and TCP/IP protocol and also solving the some examples. So question is, assume the following scenario for multiple clients C1 and C2 and multiple server S1 and S2. Hence demonstrate the significance of TCP/IP in order to identify the system uniquely over the internet. So here client server mechanism is given. Here two clients, that is C1 and C2, are connected to two different server, that is S1 and S2. So we know the client server mechanism. In client server mechanism, server is one machine which has a higher configuration than client, and server serves the services of client, and client sends the request to the server and server gives a response to the client. Server gives the response to the client for sending request to the here client C1 and C2 are connected to the server S1. If client C1 wants to send a mail request to a server S1, that mail request has the port number suppose 40, and also the client C2 wants to send the mail request to server S1, and that mail request has port number 14. In that situation, server S1 gets in confusion because he didn't identify from which client the request has came. To resolve this problem, there is need of IP address. For solving this problem, we use a TCP/IP protocol. Uh, so TCP/IP is transmission control protocol and internet protocol. It is combination of TCP and IP. So TCP is used for port number, and IP used for unique identification. So TCP establishes the two-way connection between client and server. It provides reliable byte stream transmission of data with error checking and correction. Also provides the two-way message transfer between server and large number of clients, between server and the large number of clients. There is if client wants to send request to the server, there is a need to know the IP address of server to the client. So, some significance of the TCP/IP protocol are, first one, it is a freely available protocol and not a secret protocol that is owned by a single company. This makes it possible for anyone with sufficient technical knowledge to improve it. Second is, it is also compatible with virtually all types of computer hardware and networks configurations. Uh, Next is, it provides reliable data delivery. Reliable means that it can guarantee that data is delivered to its intended destination. That is, it give the guarantee that data is delivered with error free, and packets are not corrupted. Mm, so we are going to solve the question. That is, question is, consider the 100 Mbps network with TTL 600 microsecond. Find minimum number of bit required in sequence number field to avoid overlapping. Overlapping. So the solution is, here. Uh, Here, bandwidth for 1 second is 100 Mbps, and TTL, that is time to live time to live is given 600 into 10 raised to minus 6. So number of bits equal to bandwidth into TTL, that is 100 into 10 raised to 6 into 600 into 10 raised to minus 6, that is equal to 16,000. Uh, 16 bits are required for that. So thank you.